we're trying to find out some more about political bloggers in Kansas.
Sure.
Do you know very many political bloggers in Kansas?
I do know a few political bloggers in Kansas.
Who could they be?
I happen to be a political blogger in Kansas. My name's Jason Croucher. I run the blog Kansas Jackass.
Really?
Yes, indeed.
Kansas Jackass. Could you believe that?
Kansas Jackass in person. Hello, Mr. John. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How about yourself? Now, your name is?
Jason Croucher.
Jason Croucher. Okay. Where are you from?
Osage City, just right south of here.
Oh, okay. Well, Osage County. I'm familiar with it. I have family in the area.
Absolutely.
Are you originally from?
I sure am. Grew up there. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Mr. Weeks, how are you?
You can't remain anonymous for long. We had to figure it out a couple hours ago.
I'm sure you did.
Yeah.
Well, I'm going to be on the news tomorrow. So
Yeah, we knew that. And aren't you going to be on KLWN Radio Monday?
Sure am.
Okay.
Yes, indeed.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Jason.
Anything you want to say to your fans?
Well, I'm happy to be here at Kansas Days today. I'm excited to watch the election of Amanda Adkins as your new chair. So.
Oh, very good. Well, good luck.